Aloha and welcome to 3-Minute Astronomy, a look at the vast worlds beyond our Earth. I'm Steve McGaughey, your NASA Solar System Ambassador. Over 300 years ago, when Galileo started looking up through the eyepiece of a telescope, his only means of recording what he saw was by writing it down and drawing a picture. These days, there are many ways to record what is viewed through a telescope, and few observers still put down what they see by making a sketch. Today, we have a special guest, an amateur astronomer who observes objects through the eyepiece and makes sketches of what she sees. We're happy to welcome a member of the Haleakala Amateur Astronomers, Cindy Krach. Cindy, you've had many of your great sketches published. Tell us, why would someone want to sketch what they see in an eyepiece?
Well, Steve, thank you for having me on today. When you sketch at the eyepiece, it requires you to really look at something, which allows you to see far more than just a quick glance. Sketching requires you to slow down to record what you see. The longer you look at the object, the greater the details you'll see. This also makes you a better observer.
But don't you need to be an artist to sketch at the eyepiece?
Not at all, Steve. If you can make dots and smudge pencil marks on paper, you can record much of what you see in the night sky. Lunar sketches take some practice, but it's mostly about seeing light and dark and just getting out there and doing it. You'll surprise yourself over time. It just gets easier.
I get that sketching makes you a better observer and all, but why not just take photographs of the night sky?
Well, Steve, astrophotography is amazing, but requires a lot of expensive equipment and time to post-process images. Sketching at the eyepiece requires only a few items, like paper, pencil, and of course an eraser. Sketching gives you the satisfaction of creating something you saw with your own eyes, with your conditions and your telescope. Looking at your sketch later will often bring back other details of the observation, like where you were at the time, and you will be more likely to remember the object you're sketching when you see it again.
I understand that you are the coordinator of the sketching program through the Astronomical League.
Yes, it's a program designed to help amateur astronomers to see more details when observing. You can learn more by going to the Astronomical League website and checking out the sketching resource page.
Thank you, Cindy, for joining us today and discussing sketching astronomical objects from the eyepiece. This has been 3-Minute Astronomy with your NASA Solar System Ambassador, Steve McGaughey. Looking up.